Quick question. If him mother and wife and daughter, why in the bumbo KRATOS you think him would have spare me? Me never yet buck up on a shiny nigga we happy. Legend has it said the young youths them pray to KRATOS before every meal. The hombre dead twice, they respawn like this is a pussy club video game. Me see him punch one youth in a orbit. The Humby squad wipe the whole of Green Panther. Now we nah no apps. Him turn Helios in our flashlight. Rev! He say if you no follow me, he ma forward a earth next. The only thing scarier than a Humby when I have nothing to lose is a blood clot God when I have nothing to lose. Me just born to God. Me never hurt nobody. Aries! Why you play with the Humby like that? Brother, me no see nobody else will get mashed up worse than Zeus.